YouTube? This is Mr. American Boy coming at you with another video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of some new knives that I got. And, well, a couple new things. They're not all knives. I only got two things. Well, let's get up. I'm using my Spyderco Manix. This is one of my favorite knives now. Use the knife a little bit more. Let's see here. I like it. Package inside a package. Oh, it's already open. Let's see here. Anything else? No. Okay. This is just the billing information, warranty, blah blah blah. Don't need that. Okay. Let's see. What do I want to show you guys first? I guess I'll show you guys this. I got a new flashlight. Well, you guys think it's my first flashlight. I picked up one at my local store. I picked up the Phoenix LD20. I like it a lot. I use it to walk my dog, and I just wanted something smaller for EDC, like it says right here. Everyday carry flashlight package. This comes with the LD10 and LD01 and E01. Goodness. And then I got a new Benchmade. If you guys saw my last video, you guys would know that Blade HQ is actually having a really good sale on Benchmade knives. You guys should go check it out. This knife is on, well, this knife right here was on one of my to get knives. Wow, it's a lot smaller than I was thinking. Whoa. This is the Benchmade Mini Griptilian. This is the one with the, I think, sheep's foot blade style, and this is the one with the hole opening, which is the 555 HG. Sorry, I'm a little tired, guys. It's real smooth. I like it. All I gotta do is just change that pocket clip to left-hand carry, because right-hand carry is not about it. For all my lefties out there, little comparison between the Mini Griptilian and the regular Griptilian. Big difference. In hand. I don't know which one I like more. This one's smoother than that one was. Between the Delica, wow, a lot smaller. Handle-wise, well, I'll make a video. Alright guys, I'm about to go eat something. I'm hungry. Just came out of work. Now I'm playing with my knives. Oh, this one's gonna be fun. I can tell already. Alright guys. A little quick video. Alright, bye. See you guys later. Fingers all up in the way. Oh jeez, I just ruined the whole video. Couple knives. New flashlight. Oh, hold on. Messing it all up again. Alright guys, be safe.